Alright guys, so we're back again with another episode of Hacker in the Shop. In this video, we're going to go over upgrading your original Level 2 system to the all-new L2E. This system is going to give you more modularity, connectivity, and of course, efficiency, so let's get started. Our first step is going to be removing the tools and of course, the original back panel and brackets. The third panel conversion kit is going to have two longer brackets. Make sure when we install these brackets that we use the bottom 3 holes. Next step is going to be installing the tab print organizer. Make sure that miscellaneous cutout is to the front of the cart when installing it. Now when installing the Z-Caddy, we want to make sure that we're installing it on the right side of the cart. The Z-Caddy is going to hold our glue gun, heat gun, infrared, glue sticks, and of course our 99% isopropyl alcohol. Now that all of our bolted on parts are installed, now we move on to the fun part, and that is installing all of our new updated tab tracks and tabs. Our work cell is just about complete. Our last step is going to be reinstalling our tools to the back panel. You're also going to get an upgraded saddle for your K-beam, and your K-beam Junior is going to have an extended shaft. This is going to allow you to install the new extended height feet that come in the system.